Hey tribe, Dawna here from Transformational Healing. And today I wanted to talk to you a little bit about manifestation and abundance magic versus wish magic. Now, we've all heard of wish magic, and many of you are probably actually doing wish magic without actually even realizing that's what you're doing. When you blow out your birthday candles and make a wish, see a shooting star, make a wish. Make a wish on a dandelion, blow all those wishes out into the world. Or it's 11:11, make a wish. That is wish magic. And wish magic has its place, but it's about just like a hope, a whim, a fancy, a dream. And it could be a little bit more serious, but it's not necessarily that serious. Wish magic is just like hoping something will come true and thinking about it for a second, and then that's it. When it comes to manifestation or abundance or prosperity magic, it's all about intention. So yes, you have that intention in your mind for a second during wish magic, but when you're doing manifestation magic, it's all about keeping that intention at the forefront of your mind. So we use tools like High John, the Conqueror root, or a wish bean. So yes, it's a mojo wish bean or a Job's tear or a tonka bean that we use to make wishes, but it's not something that you're just doing very quickly and letting go. It's something that you are carrying on you that is to remind you of that intention, and you are putting in the work to make that intention come true. You have to have steps that you're following. None of this works with just thinking of something, intending it, and performing a spell for a second and then completely letting it go. That's not how any of this manifestation works. Manifestation is about putting in the steps, putting in the work, having that intention, and changing your mindset. You have to be mindful of your thoughts. If you know that you want to manifest this particular thing, but your inner thoughts are always telling you that you don't deserve it or that it's impossible, then it's not going to work. You have to be mindful of what you are thinking, and you have to shift that mindset into an abundance mindset. You have to think about things as if you already have them. Not that you want them someday, because you're putting that out there. I want it someday. So it's always going to be, I want it someday. You have to say that you have those things now. You have to live like you have them now. And that is the biggest difference between manifestation and wish magic. That is how you really achieve those dreams. You have to change that mindset, raise that vibe, and get everything flowing. The law of attraction really does affect everything that we are able to do. We always attract what we are thinking subconsciously. It's not about we necessarily attract what we say. It's that you attract what you really think on a subconscious level. So think about being abundant. Think that you are abundant, not that you may be someday. Act like you already are. Now, I'm not telling you to go spend tons and tons and tons and tons of money because you have tons of money, but act like you have that money and you're using it responsibly. So act with abundance, be with abundance, and you will be able to manifest whatever it is that you want. And if you are looking for those tools, the things that I mentioned, the roots and the seeds and the herbs that you might use to help use as tools for manifestation and abundance and prosperity, you should definitely download my free PDF of manifestation herbs, oils, crystals, and spiritual supplies. And you can find that link at transformationalhealing.com/manifestation and prosperity PDF. Just give me your email address and it will come straight to your email box. So next week, I'm hoping to be able to do some herb walks with you. I have a lot of herb walk footage and I will have them loaded up. But let me know what other types of videos you're looking forward to for the summer. I have quite a few scheduled, but I am definitely looking for ideas. I want to get as many of the videos as I can pre-done so that whenever I am away, we do not have any more issues with skipping Thursdays and skipping videos. So let me know what it is that you would like to learn more about. And I hope that you enjoyed learning a little bit about my thoughts on manifestation. Go get that free PDF guide, and there's a couple other videos on manifestation that I would have popped up top too, and also on intention. So I hope that you enjoy this series, and we'll talk to you soon. See you next week, Tribe.